Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make a voice changer on Discord. Without further ado, let's get started. Now go to this site, screamingbee.com, and install the free trial. Now I think this is only about a week, but if you want to continue using this app, just buy this. Now you have to set up the app before using this. Now just click on next, and then you can choose where your microphone or playback is. Now you can name your profile, and you have also to test your microphone. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Now that is what it looks like. Now go over to your Discord and go to settings, and now find for voice and video, and now select the input device to microphone that is from Screaming Bee Audio. Now after that, you can join now to your voice channel's lobby and go ahead and try it out with your voice.
Voice. Robot.
Amen.
And that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.